Hi everyone, welcome to my art class. Today we are going to make a taco. Happy Cinco de Mayo. This is the project for Happy Cinco de Mayo. Are you ready? Let's starting it. Switch camera. Okay, you will need the color papers, and this one it's paper plate, small one, scissors, glue stick. You can use pencil and eraser, and use Sharpie. And this one is oil pastel, and it's golden brown, the golden brown color. Okay, and this one is the stencil helping me to make the circle for the center. Okay, so that's starting it. Clean table a little bit. Okay, so all right, so first one I will need a yellow paper, and I use this one as a stencil. Put it on the top, and then I'm tracing it. So, and on the top, you are gonna mix some dots for the texture. Some it's a little bit like a grouping, some it's a little bit loose, like that. And then you can write Happy Cinco de Mayo, okay? And that's, I have this one print out. Okay, let's cut it from here. Okay, let me put this one away. All right, let's cut it around. This one is the taco wrap. Okay. Here we go. And next one, we're going to flip it over, open glue, put glue on. Here we go. Make sure you have enough glue, okay? Flip it over, glue on the top of your plate. Okay, so it's like that. Make sure you glue it on. Okay, and then next one, I'm going to use the golden oil pastel, this one. I'm going to color this plate so it won't look too white. And then it matches the color for the taco. So you go back and forth, and I like the texture. Okay, don't color a lot, you know, leave a little bit white texture. That's the beautiful part. Okay, so you just lightly go on the surface, and then go back and forth, and don't try to color evenly on every inches. Okay, just here and there a little bit, here and there a little bit. That's good. Okay, so double check where you might have it. I think this is good. Okay, and then next one, I'm going to have a U folded in half, like that, okay. All right, just fold in half like that. All right, and then later on we are going to glue it here, okay, but not right now. All right, leave it open. All right, next one, I want you to get the green paper, dark green, okay, dark green. And then we are going to draw vegetables, okay. So for the vegetables, you can do, you know, any, for example, for the center part, okay, we do center part. So you are gonna do center part, and then split a lot, so split, and then it just kind of goes around, okay, this one, so it look like a vegetable. Okay, all right, and I have this one. I did it the hang out, okay, and we are going to cut two, okay, so I'm gonna take two, and then this one you're going to go in and out, cut it around. Okay, in and out, cut it around. Here, keep going. For the younger friend, this one is very good practice because it's the shapes kind of sort of going up and down, in and out, so they can learn how to control their scissors. So you see it go in and out, you need to hold the paper and turn your scissors in and out like that. Okay, little by little. Here and here. Okay, here we go. All right, next one, I want you to flip it over. Wait. Okay, and put glue. All right, bring your taco over. Just pick some place you like it and then stick it on. Okay, so when you close it, you can still see your veggie. Okay, so this one right here, I'm gonna stick a little bit right here, that on the corner, like that, maybe hide a little bit like that. So you know where to stick it on is really up to you. Okay, you can stick it any way you wish, any way you like. Okay, and then this one plate, it's a little bit hard to stick because, let me show it to you, because it has this kind of texture, in and out. So sometimes you can put it on the plate, put glue on the plate, and then glue your piece over the top. It can be much easier, okay, when you glue. All right, so same thing to this one. You see, easy to come off, right? But instead of put the glue on the paper, you put it on the plate. All right, and then you take the cut out vegetable and you stick it on, and it won't come out easily. Okay, all right, next one, we are going to have a tomato. Okay, for the tomato, you are going to draw a small circle, not too big. Okay, small circle. You can double the rim, double, and then make a circle in the center, and then do curve, but you need to skip. Okay, how many doesn't matter, like that. How many, it doesn't matter, just trying to evenly out, so you can bring in. It's a little bit like, you know, the way drawing a lemon. 1 2 3 4 5, and then here go in a little bit, and then make some shape in between, like, you know, tomato seed, look like that. Okay, all right, and then you are going to need two. Okay, so I have this one, the hang out, you are going to have 2. Okay, cut it out. Goes around, follow the shape. And the other one. Two. Alright, and then you are gonna design where you want to put your tomato, and then let's put glue on the plate. Okay, so it's easier to stick well. And I'm gonna put 1 tomato right here, close it, and then see where I want to do it. I'm gonna do another one right here. So I put glue on the plate, glue it on, stick it out a little bit more. Okay, go when you stick, all goes on the rim. All right, and next one, I need the brown paper. This one is meatball or ground beef. All you need to do is make a shape, and then inside you do meat texture. Line, 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 line. That's how I do ground beef. Here and there are lots of straight line in a different way. And then so just kind of, goes a little around ground beef. Okay, like that. So you have your meat or ground beef. All right, this one is the hangout, same thing. I need 2. You can have more if you like, okay? You definitely can have more. One. And 2. All right, I'm going to do it right here because here still have a gap. I can just put it on like this, and then here has a gap. I'm gonna put a little bit more right here and put meat over here. Close. Woohoo! And then something is missing. Cheese. Okay, sprinkled cheese. Right? Okay, so we are gonna draw cheese. And then all you need to do, it's very easy. You are going to draw a square or a rectangle. It's up to you. Rectangle, I did rectangle, okay? And then inside I draw line, 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 line. And then we are gonna cut it out. So it become a cheese, like, shredded cheese. All right, so I have this one hang out. Let's cut it out from here, follow the line and cut. Done. Okay, next one, cut, cut, Here we go. Okay, shredded cheese. Okay, let's put it on, and then you can put it any way you like it. So for example, I do basically over the top with glue like that. Okay, and I put cheese everywhere. So for example, I put one right here, one right there, one right here, one right here, one right here. We go like that. See, ta-da! And then, okay, some of us students like cheese, add more cheese, okay? So for example, it's okay. If you like more cheese, let's cut out more. Okay, we can always cut out more. More shredded cheese. Okay, same thing again. Let's put glue over the top. Okay, and then you are gonna decide where you want more cheese. But you know, don't put too much. Enough is good, okay? Don't put too much. Thing like that. Okay, and then if you like, you can write your name inside, okay? And but you know, not glue together. But if you like to glue together, put some glue and hold your taco together like that. But don't push down too much. Just hold it. Let it dry, okay? So let me show you the taco in a different view, okay? Let's do that. Ready? Ta-da! Happy Cinco de Mayo. This is the taco. I hope you like it and enjoy the dessert. Yum, 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 yum. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Okay, bye-bye everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.